Okay, I'm sorry, I had a phone call and I am back. Now, where were we? Opening this box. It says Orly on it. And love your nails. What I did get is the Orly Hopeless Romance. Okay, we'll open that. Then I got a Orly. I don't know exactly what this is. Y'all can see that. And well, whatever this was, it's stuck. The bottle is empty. Is the bottle empty? Yes, the bottle is no, the bottle's not empty. Okay. The bottle's not empty. There's some kind of nail polish must have spilt in here. As you can see, I can't get the paper out, but okay. It doesn't look like this. Yeah, you can see the nail polish right there. Oh, Jesus. I can't even get this open. Yeah, some nail polish must have been broken. Oh my God. Okay. It's the only way I can open it, you guys. See what's going on. This is my first time ordering this subscription. And look. I don't know. Oh, the bottle is correct. Looks like the bottle. Yeah, the bottle broke. The purple one. It's got a crack in it. Well, so much. These were the colors. And I would go through them, but they're all stuck. Yeah, they're stuck in here. This one isn't. This purple, bluish one. Serenity. So I'm going to reach out to Orly and see if I can get a replacement on this one. I can't get the last four. I can't get out. I can't get this bluish one, which is written in the stars, and it's the blue. So these two I definitely can use, but these four, because of this bottle cracking, I can't use none of these. They're all cemented in there from the nail polish. I'm sorry about the review, but I did get a nail polish bonder. And I'm not sure this got some stuff on it also. What this is. Okay, I'm not going to even try to open this. Alright. Well, I'm sorry. Well, maybe when they send me a replacement, hopefully, I can do a better unboxing for y'all. But that's all I have for y'all today. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day. Bye-bye.